In this work world, there's so many options open to students, and what ultimately we really want to find with an internship is that student to either say, oh, I loved this type of work, or what was I thinking?
It is an amazing experience for students to be able to take all of the information, all of the knowledge that they've been accumulating, and then get to see how it really actually works, right? What does it mean to take all this information and then actually put it into action in a work environment?
Internships are so important because they're what you make of them. Yes, you don't get paid, but if you really take initiative and show that you're a professional, you're going to get a job out of it. Some kind of job or a great recommendation. So students don't really realize that, and I think that's really important.
Another way that they help the students is to find out if they really do want that job. You know, you can go through your 4 years thinking that physical therapy is the thing for you and learning about the skills and the background, but when you get in there and you realize that maybe you're going to spend a lot of time doing shoulder rehab for older adults, that isn't what you thought the career path was. Now, it's not too late to change, but it's good for them to know that there's other areas that they might want to investigate or specialize in an internship.
Most internships are unpaid, and students get upset with that. But even though it's not paid, it's a valuable experience to know exactly what you want to do, if you like it, and to get a great recommendation or a job out of it.
Internships really do give us the opportunity to find out what we're interested in, what we're not interested in, whether we really like certain client populations or certain employee environments or doing certain things. Sometimes we surprise ourselves and we don't know what it is that we like or what we may or may not want to do.
An internship serves several purposes. The first is for the student to try out the company, and let's be real, the company is test driving the student. Is it somebody we want to hire? Is that perhaps the university do we want to give money to because we've had a great experience? We want the students to learn something new, and it might be going home and working for their family's company and building a website. It might be going to a national company, moving away and trying a life in a big city. So it's lots of growth opportunities for our students.
And one of the things we'd really try and impress upon the students, especially when they get in their junior and senior year, is to trust that you know more than you think you know. So when they get out into a real world experience, like an internship, where there's still safety in not knowing everything, they find out that they really do know more than they think, and they feel like they can contribute during an internship.
I think that if you're wanting to work in the real world, that you need to find out what you like to do. You need to find out if something is a passion for you. Do you love working with a children's organization? Do you say, I'd rather work in an adult organization? And these are the things that an internship can help you find. Before you make that application, move to a big city, have to have a rent, have to do all those things, and then find out it's not the job for you. So this again lets you try organizations. We hope that you might have several internships over the course of your college career. They can be done during the summer, they can be done during the school year. Again, we want you to help you find yourself.